Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, here's what we're looking at as we get ready for your weekend forecast. We've got a chance for some dry time. Not a lot, but at least there will be a little bit out there, and certainly at least enough if you get a chance to get out and get some of those holiday lights on your tree, or if you're going to be hanging them up on the house as well. This is sort of the best time to do that. So let's break it down what we're going to be expecting over the next couple of days. Showers are still out there on and off tonight. Most of those are pushing up to the central and northern valley now. We'll get a bit of a break Friday early, but then another cold front coming through. Here's the best time, I think, on Saturday afternoon and into the evening. If you want to hang out those Christmas ornaments or holiday ornaments, that's probably the best time for that. And then we've got more rain coming into the forecast as we head into next week. Here's a live shot on our Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep right now. You can see most of those showers continue. We've got sort of training, or what we call back building. You see them kind of popping up on the radar as they get a little closer there. Running into the Portland radar sweep. To the south of us, things have been relatively quiet in terms of the radar. We'll see some of the cloud cover break up, which should get the fog starting to form rather quickly. Here's a snapshot of what we saw earlier today. This is sent in to us from our own KZI 9 News sports reporter, Kristen Rogers. This is what it looked like at Levi Stadium earlier this afternoon, but you can see the showers still moving in, especially as you get into the mountains. So here's the official forecast for tomorrow. Kickoff at 5 o'clock, and there is likely going to be showers in the forecast. We'll have to see how that affects both of the offenses. Temperatures shouldn't be much of an issue, though. Will likely be into the low 60s and upper 50s as they get going into the game. Speaking of, it's been a warmer day out across central Oregon. They're in the 30s now as opposed to stuck in the 20s most of the day in the rainy, freezing, slushy, icy mix out there. 40s across the valley, low 50s down in Roseburg, and then mid 50s as you get out across portions of the coast. And everybody much warmer today. 40s out in central Oregon, upper 40s here across the valley, and almost 60 degrees down towards North Bend. So overnight tonight, we'll keep temperatures generally sitting in the mid to low 40s. I'm going to still put a mention of those scattered showers in there, and that's because we've got a warm front slowly trying to work its way into the southern end of the state. A lot more activity to the south where this cold front is, and this is what we'll see coming through as we head in towards your Friday night. So let's take things through the next 48 hours here. You see we're dry for tomorrow morning and early afternoon, and then as we get into dinner time and through the evening hours, we'll see that front slide on through, but through most of Saturday afternoon, dry weather once again. So you at least get a chance to get some activities done outside through the weekend. So we'll go mid to upper 50s tomorrow, similar to today. It will be breezy, especially right ahead of the front by late afternoon along the coast. Mid to upper 50s and some evening rain showers across the Umpqua tomorrow. Cascades will be a little warmer as well. Kind of a rain snow mix. Snow lines are going to be around 6,500 to 7,000 feet. Central Oregon also looking at some late rain showers. Temperatures again in the 40s, and here in the Willamette Valley will go mid 50s for tomorrow and some evening rain. For the coast, that dry time extends Saturday into Sunday, and then more wet weather coming into the forecast pretty much all the way in through most of next week. For the Umpqua, 56 tomorrow. Mid 50s overall for the next 5 to 6 days. The Cascades, not the best snow up there. We're talking kind of the wet, slushy snow, as the snow lines will be fairly high up at around 5 to 7,000 feet. And here in the Willamette Valley, 54 tomorrow, guys. Should be a relatively dry window, some on Saturday in through the latter half, I should say, of Saturday night. So that's probably your best chance to kind of get out and beautify the house.
All righty then.
All right.